We're getting ready in my car.
Want it? I got it. I want it? I got it. I want it?
The sun is finally out here in Indiana. As a matter of fact, why is this closed? I am feeling like a brand new girl with the sun being out here. And I really missed doing get ready with me's. I used to do them all the time, if you guys remember. And now I hardly ever do them. So we have to do them again. Do you guys remember when I would get ready in my car basically every day when I was working at BMW? Those were the days. I'm just kidding. I would never go back. I do kind of miss my coworkers though, because those were like my adult friends. You know how you have like college friends, friends you grew up with? Those were like my adult friends, my first adult friends. So I do miss them, but I definitely don't miss the job. I will say though, I'm missing Utah a lot more lately. There are so many reasons I miss Utah, but one of the most recent reason is because we experienced a literal tornado watch. Like, sirens going off, tornado watch. I was so freaking scared. I didn't know what to do because in Utah, we don't have tornado stuff. Like, we don't have tornadoes. And so our house doesn't have like a bunker. And I feel like a lot of places have like bunkers that you would go to if there was a tornado coming. And the sirens are going off. Crew left to go golfing because it hits really fast. Like, you don't really know what's happening and then it just happens. I mean, they did send out an Amber Alert, but that was after he left. But anyways, so Crew's not home. I'm like, he's gonna get caught in the tornado. I have nowhere to go. I'm like grabbing my dog, going down to our basement. I'm like, I don't know what the freak I'm doing. And so that was the biggest point where I was like, I miss Utah, I need to go back. But like, nobody else was freaking out. Like, people were still driving on the road. I'm like, get home, you're gonna die. Utah is just like safe. We don't have to worry about that stuff. I mean, we do have to worry about earthquakes and stuff, but like that hardly ever happens. So Utah just feels so safe, and out here I just feel so lost. I'm sure I would feel a little bit different if I grew up here, but I didn't, and it's really scary. But now that Indiana is sunny, I'm a lot happier here. Okay, we're done. I've got to run into my appointment, but I'm so happy we did this get ready with me. We haven't done it in so long. It was much needed. I hope you guys all have a great day. Love you. Bye.